Hello dear students, welcome to our English lesson. Today we will learn Roman numerals with you. Let's start. Let's look at the pictures and guess what year is it in the pictures. The clue is in the picture on the left, it shows current time. So it is 2020, yes. But in the picture on the right, it shows 2020 minus 900 years. So it makes 1120, yes. Now let's learn or calculate what century is it in the pictures. Let's remember how can we calculate century. We'll look at the year, for example, 2020. The first two numbers, 20 plus 1, we add 1 and it makes 21st century. And in the second picture, again, we take the first two numbers, 11. Again, we add 1 plus 1 and it makes 12th century. Yes, you are right. Now, 2020, 11, 20, 3, 0, 1, 9, all of them, what are they? They are numbers. Yes, they are numbers. So, what are other ways of writing numbers, students? How can we write the numbers except digits? Yes, we can write the numbers with letters I, V, X, or L, or C, D, M, and they are called Roman numerals. So today we will have a look at the history of numbers and Roman numerals. We will learn about them in the text. In this text, we will listen and find the answers for these questions. So question number 1, what things do we need numbers for and why do we need numbers? What are the numbers we use today called? And where do the numbers we use today come from? Where did they first appear? Let's listen and learn about the numbers.
Student's Book, page 78. 1. Listen, read and answer.
Imagine a world with no numbers. No counting, no money, no maths. Numbers are very important, and they are also very old. The numbers we use today are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Imagine it's the 12th century. Leonardo Pisano Fibonacci, an Italian professor of maths, travels to North Africa. He sees the numbers they use there. They are much easier to use than the numbers in Italy. When he goes back to Europe, he shows people the numbers from North Africa. People soon use them all over the world.
So that's all with the text. Now let's find the answers for our questions. What things do we need numbers for? Let's think. Yes, we need numbers for counting, money, and math. Then, what are the numbers we use today called? The numbers we use today are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Yes. Then, where do the numbers we use today come from? What is their first country? The numbers we use today come from North Africa. North Africa, where is this region? Let's see it in the map. North Africa covers these 8 countries now. The whole part is the North Africa continent, but 8 countries go to North Africa, students. So firstly, they used numbers here. Now let's look at this text and firstly, where is this man from? We can have a look at his clothes. Yes, he is from Rome or ancient. Ancient Rome, it means old Rome. But before Hindu Arabic numbers, the numbers in Europe were called Roman numerals. So they were thinking they are Roman. They are coming from the country Rome. we can still see Roman numerals today. Roman numerals are letters. So where can we see Roman numerals today? Let's think. Yes, we can see Roman numerals on the clock. We said that Roman numerals are expressed with letters. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10. If we want to make bigger numbers, we can just put these two numbers together by being the bigger one on the left each time. Big one, for example, 5 is of course bigger than 1. But when we want to calculate it, we just add the one on the right to the one on the left. So 5 plus 1, it makes 6. Or then x, v, 1, I. So x stands for 10 plus v, 5, 10 plus 5 plus 1, 1, 1, and it makes 18. But when we want to make smaller numbers than these three, we put the smaller number on the left but bigger one on the right. Of course, 1 is smaller than 5. When we calculate this number, we subtract 1 from 5. So it makes 5 minus 1, it makes 4. Or here, 1 and it is 10. 10 minus 1, it makes 9. So that's all with the explanation. Now let's practice, students. Here we go. What are these numerals for? Let's see. I, and one I expresses 1. So 1, 1, 1, all together they make 3. Yes. Next one. What does X stand for? It stands for 10. Yes. 10 plus 10 plus 1, 1, and it makes 22. The next one, again, X stands for 10 plus 5 plus 1, and it makes 16. Now let's go vice versa. Write the Roman numerals for. We are given the numbers, and we have to write them with Roman numerals. 8. How can we divide it into pieces? So we can say it's like 5 plus 3. 5, it means V, and 3 I letters. Yes, 5 and 3 I letters, 25. How many 10 we have in 25? How many 10s? 2. So 2, 2, it will make 2 X letters and 5 V. 10 plus 10 plus 5, it makes 25. 33. So how many 10s we have here? 1, 2, 3, and 3. For 3, we will put 3 lines, 3 I letters. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, and plus 3, 33. That's all today with the history of the numbers and Roman numeral, students. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.